Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to a secant of t, because if I put this one going here, you got about a square secant of t square, a square, we can do about factorization, secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. We do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about a secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one going here and here. ds we change by this one. This one you got about a square secant of t square. A square we can do about factorization. This one you got about tan t square. The square root of this one you got about a tan t. Now we need to simplify a secant of t tan t on numerator and denominator. The integration of this one you got about t over a, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by a. And we got about t equals to arcsecant of s over a. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. Or we can write like this too. Or we can write like this too. This is the end. Thank you for watching.